Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a gift card on Amazon. Here's how to add a gift card on Amazon web app. The first thing you need to do is to open any browser of your choice and navigate to amazon.com. Right there in the website, click the sign in button in the top right corner and enter your account's credentials. Once logged in, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of options to have an exciting time in Amazon. Then, hover over the account and list option at the top right corner of the page. Okay, and you're going to see a drop-down menu containing a couple of options from account, others, keep shopping for, all the way down to sign out. Now, go ahead and click on account and it's going to take you to your accounts page. Now, in your accounts page, from the list of options presented to you, you're going to see gift cards. Now, go ahead and click on gift cards under the Your Account section. On the gift card page, look for an option that says redeem a gift card, which is obviously here. Just right after reload your balance, you have redeem a gift card. Now click on redeem a gift card option. Now on the redeem gift card page, which we're presented with, you'll see a text box asking for your gift card claim code. Now typing the claim code usually found on the back of physical gift cards or in your email if it was an e-gift card. Now, once the code is entered, go ahead and click on Apply to Your Balance button. Now, this will add the gift card amount to your Amazon account balance. You'll receive a confirmation message that the gift card has been successfully added, and you can view your updated balance by going to the same gift cards page or by checking your account under gift card balance. You can now use the balance for purchases on Amazon. Now go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.